Dialing in is supposed to be fun. It should be a taste buds. I think they might be a bit too fresh, but this is dialing in. That's what you have to live with. Let's see. How do I dial in my beans? What does Dule Rabbit do? What does Dule Rabbit do? What does Dule Rabbit do? I acquired 3 bags of freshly roasted beans from Pirates of Coffee. Not affiliated with them. Bought this with my own money. This is Pirates of Coffee Nutty Espresso. Single origin Brazilian. I hope it tastes amazing. Now on the topic of why I'm not featuring any light roasts. Funny you should ask. I don't like them. I grew up in Serbia. That whole area there drinks their own version of Turkish coffee. It's very strong. So when you get preloaded with that palate, the light roast tends to taste like somebody made you a bad coffee. Tastes like butts, everybody has one. This is my butt, okay? But how do we get those fruity notes out of our espresso? I don't want fruity notes out of my espresso. Dandelion flavor, I don't want any fruity flavor. You can drink coffee and you can add fruity flavors. Italians call it Grappa, the Serbians call it Rakia. And in all that area, there are so many different kinds of distilled spirits that's where the fruit comes from. So cheers to that. Cheers to all my light roast folks. You enjoy your light roast, we're gonna enjoy our fruity flavors like this. And we're using an IMS basket, Precision Basket Nanotech, 20 grams, bottomless portafilter. We're using a screen. We're gonna grind our beans, we're gonna WDT them, and we're gonna pull a shot. Here are the beans. The test is officially starting. I'm gonna open it up. It smells nice. We're gonna purge some. The range for espresso is between 1 and 1.5. And I'll tell you what, these beans at 1.5 look maybe a little coarse. The way it's falling, I feel like I'm gonna try a shot at 1.5. Let's see what happens. Eyeball Paul, let's go. Holy! This is 1 to 2 approximately. Well, I might think that too much foam, so it is what it is. Well, let's try it. It smells very nice though. Oh, that's good. It's pretty good, but I'm gonna just do 2 points down. Let's rock and roll. It's a little denser, a lot of squirting. I would go a little bit finer for this. After the pre-infusion, it's coming a little bit too fast for me. But let's see. It tastes very good. Okay. Let me go to 1.2. I think it needs a little bit more slowness, but let's see what that does to the taste. We got it. Okay. Final round. Eyeball Paul. Pre-infusion. I think this is my winner. Yeah. I think this is the one. Nothing wrong with the first one though, as far as taste go. The visual, this one looked the best. They might be a bit too fresh, but nonetheless, this is dialing in. That's what you have to live with. Let's see. Oh, this one was hell of a smoother. Yeah, more sour. This one is okay. So the first, you see, this is where, you have to play with. Sour. And this one is, wow, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. You might ask yourself now, Gaggiuino, how you dial in a funky profile. Well, everything you know about making espresso, take it all, put it all in a bag, and just throw it in the garbage. That's a completely new ballgame. I have my Chaos Bloom profile that I really, really like, and I know it requires the super fine ground, so let's see how that dial-in process goes. I almost forgot fruity flavors. We remained on that same basket, Obviously different portafilter. Same grind size as the last shot that I did on the E61. Okay, the profile is called Chaos Bloom. It's my creation with ChatGPT. We're at 91 degrees. We're stopping at 40 grams. And let's see what this grind size does. Now it's finishing it off. Now it's going too fast. Like you see at the end, it's going a little bit fast. It went a little bit too fast for my eyes. And when I tasted it now, don't get me wrong, this is phenomenal. My taste requires just a little bit of that muddiness, a little bit of that dirt in it. And that's gonna be there when we grind fine. Okay, let me do that now. Okay, time to rock and roll. Finer ground. 91, all the same. Let's see how it acts up. It's a lot denser. The puck is soaking. That's what we're looking at. Now it's gonna do some crazy stuff. It's waiting for the flow. Super slow. Okay, so this should be the best one. This is the way it's extracting stuff. Maybe it sucks. Who knows? This is hitting my spot. Oh, wow. You can't go, like, please use that Chaos Bloom thing. It's so good. It's so good. I almost forgot the fruit flavor. Dialing in can be as scientific, as specific as you want it to be. This is just what I do. Dialing in is supposed to be fun. You're supposed to dial it in, not relying fully on technicalities and measurements and all that stuff. It should be a taste buds. Use your taste buds. Yes, measure certain things, keep that in track, but everything else is you. So, you know, cheers to that with, wait a second. Coffee residue, a little bit of grappa, swirl it, smell it. Hey, fruity flavors are back. I really enjoyed this coffee. This one is very tasty. I'm pleasantly surprised. On that note, my name is Dule Rabbit. I hope you enjoyed. I really had fun doing this. Keep tinkering. I'll see you in the next one.